Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to use the Lorac Pro Palette Fairy Tale Forest. I'm going to create a look, and I am going to do a one color eyeshadow look today. This is what the palette looks like. It does not look like my kind of palette, but there are shimmers in there that I love, so I bought it on sale. I bought it on the Ulta sale for those shimmers only. That's it. The browns, I can use them as a transition color, but the shimmers is what get me, so I hope the shimmers are popping. Today's word or message for today is financial flow. Financial flow. What does financial flow means to you? What actions can you take towards your finances? And what can you do to change your financial flow? One color eyeshadow today on Hooded Eyes. I am using the Lorac palette, and I am using this color. You know, the holiday seasons are here. We can use all the bright colors we want. But I use my colors all year round. I love to use my fingers to do my shimmers, because I think it applies much nicer. It gives it more oomph. So for everyone out there who love makeup but think they have to record a video to put their makeup on, you don't have to. Just take your makeup out and just play in it. Have fun with it. If you record, that's good, post it. If you're on IG and you want to post a picture, that's good too. But if you don't do any of these things, just do some makeup therapy. You take your palette out, you sit, and you just play with your makeup. While you play with your makeup, you just talk about what is ailing you or what is bothering you, what it is that you want to do, and just have some fun. There are enough and too many people who are depressed, who have no one to talk to. Take your makeup, take your palette out, take your makeup out, and just have a ball. Have a ball with it. Now I'm gonna take this brush and finish fixing it. I know makeup cannot solve our problems, but it does make it feel better, for a fact. I will be sitting downstairs watching Christmas movies, and I will be like, you know what? I don't post all my videos because I don't want to put too many videos out to overwhelm my subscribers and my viewers. So I try to do at least 4 videos for posting. The rest I just sit and I just do my eyeshadow and have fun. And I'll come upstairs and I'll sit here and I will play with makeup. The day disappears. The day goes by so fast. And when I'm done, sometimes it's not the makeup that people like, but the fun and joy that doing that makeup gave me is priceless. So if you're depressed, if you're down, if you're alone, if you think you're too old, or you think you're too young, or you think this is not for you, try it one day. Just sit down and just play with makeup. Try it, you'll see. It gives you a whole different feeling. If you have a palette, you don't need 10,000. Take it out, use one color every day, or whenever you feel that you need to play makeup, and it will lift your spirits up. I am back with the look for today, and this is the look. One color eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. The color I used today is this one, and it is called Pine. And that's from the Lorac Pro palette, Fairy Tale Forest. This color right here is Pine. My lipstick is a sample from a friend's mail, which I got, and I showed you that. It's the MAC, and the sample is called Diva. This is the sample I used. This is what it looks like. My eyeliner for today is the CoverGirl. My mascara is Clinique. Use Mented blush called Buried Away. Love that blush. Love it. And AgedGraceful, I did use the sponge. It is fantastic. I like it. It works really, really good. So I hope you get that in your box. My contour stick is by Uma. Love this contour stick. It's almost done. It's a double side. There's also highlighter on this side. That is everything I used today. And the word and the message for today was financial flow. I said that in the beginning. I hope you have stayed with me that long. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, share my videos with other people. Helps me grow on YouTube. May 2022 will make 3 years since I'm on YouTube. I have seen my subscription go up and down, up and down. Sometimes it can be discouraging, but you know what? Stick with it. If it's something you love doing, stay with it. I love doing this. So whether the numbers go up or down, I still like to come there and just share a little message, a little makeup, a little fun. Hopefully I bring a little laughter and a little joy to you. So I love doing this. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I Simply You Makeup will see you in another video. I hope you took your palette out. I hope you had some fun. I hope it brings some peace to you. I hope it brings a little bit of joy to you. I hope playing in your makeup just uplift your spirits. Again, this is today's look. One color eyeshadow. And I thank you for watching. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. I will see you soon.